even. Yeah. Wow. I love it. This is my son,
Look.
and this is.
And this is how you pet the birds, like this.
Yeah, I do actually.
By the ears.
She did upside down when I massage her. She love massage.
Neck massage.
Yeah.
Oh look, her eyes closed.
Massage is life for Chica Mia.
And she can do this too.
Ah. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. You are so cute. You are so cute and beautiful and gorgeous, Lovey. Look at you. Look at you. Oh, so sweet to her daddy. She is so sweet to her daddy. Baby, wanna come with me, Daddy? Aww. Oh. You are climbing in my arm. What the heck? What is that?
It's pee.
It's pee. Oh, parang iyan pala yung pee niya, no? That's her pee. She pee. Buti na lang di sa amo ko. Go with your daddy. Go with your daddy now. Go with your daddy. Daddy. You are a daddy's girl. Chica Mia is a daddy's girl. How many years na nga si Chica Mia? With you? 5? 6?
5 years now.
5 years? 5 or 6 years?
5 to 6. Something like
5 to 6 years na siya. Kumuha ang tissue na, punasan mo to. Wipes na yung wipes mo. Yung pin niya. Where are you going, Lovey? Where are you going, baby love? Say, I love you. Say, hi, baby. I love you. Say, hi, baby.
He likes pistachios too.
Oh, give pistachios. Ah, a lot of pistachios. Maybe put it here. Put it here. But dami naman tissue. Bring more. I have more pistachios. Give her some. Show in the camera. Show in our YouTube friend. Here, baby. Can you open it for her?
Marunong yan.
Oh, she can open by herself. All right, my baby. Where are you? I want to see how you eat. Oh yeah. Ay, there you go. You are a pistachious girl. You're a pistachious girl, Lovey.
Yeah. Bring some in the ziploc.
Ziploc under the bed, anak. Ay, ziploc dyan. This is Chica Mia, and she's eating pistachios now. Oh la la. My baby. Love, love, love. That's the way she's eating pistachios. Ah, you drop it. You drop it. You have a great life. After you drink water, you ate apple, and then now you're eating pistachios. What a life, right, baby? And you are too messy. Ay, look what you did. You dropped it. You had a little mess. Messy. Messy, messy little one. Wow. Anak, alam mo na ubos na niya yung isa. Bigyan mo pa kaya siya. Pati balat kinain niya. Kinain pa. Oh, tingnan mo.
Na lahat.
Anuin mo linisin mo yung mess niya. Ganyan silang, ganyan silang mag-ama. Oh.
She gets scared if I put it in.
She don't like her, ano ba yan, bag? Because she doesn't like that. She wants to be free. She wants to play. She wants to explore. Hi, baby! You're flying! She's flying. She almost gonna land in my head. Not my head, baby. You have a pointy... You have a pointy... You have a pointy nails, Lovey. Your nails is too pointy. I don't like that to landing in my head. See what? See, you are messy, baby. Your daddy is cleaning your mess now. I know. Go to your daddy. Ah. She answering too cute.
Just happy.
She's happy with her daddy. Of course. Here. Ay!
Fly!
Try mo nga. I-ano mo nga siya.
Taas mo, kamay mo.
Oh, fly. Fly, come on. Whoa! Come on, baby, here.
Fly!
Here, baby. Fly.
Fly!
You need to train her, babe. You need to train her, anak. Pagkayat na lang, iti-training mo siya ng...
She only fly if she gets scared.
ng mga tricks. Diba? Train mo siya. Can you say I love you? How you guys, how you both communicate? Oh, sumasagot din siya. Sumasagot din siya eh. What else? Isn't it you able to make her say, hi baby, I love you? Did?
No, she gets scared now.
Okay.
Hold on.
She go back to her bed now. Ay, she don't like. She don't like. Okay, no, don't make her come first.
Ma, turn off the camera. It's fine.
Okay,
This is how I put her in though.
okay, wait. She likes to be outside for a while. She wants freedom like that for now. Oh, daddy's girl. What a daddy's girl.
Hold on. This is how I put her in.
Hey, baby. See you soon. Dalhin mo siya pagpunta mo ulit dito, ha? Nak. Hi, baby. See you soon, Lovey. Ayan na.
Baka maingay.
Kasabi ko, pinagmamalaki ko sa... backpack pala yan.
Bakit?
Backpack pala, Chika Mia. You are in the back. Ang yabang, oo. You are in the backpack bag. You are in the backpack of your daddy. I love you. I'll see you soon. I love you.
Ice,
Hmm?
I'll just leave on the front door.
Sa front door? Saan ba yung car mo?
Over there by the street.
Samahan nga kita. Saglit. Hindi ko pa nakita yung car mo eh.
Okay.
Saglit. Ready. Here's Chika Mia. Backpack siya. Sa likod ng daddy niya. They're going back to San Diego. So my son is going back to San Diego now. Where did you park ba, anak?
Yan lang ha.
It's a beautiful afternoon. is my son car, Lovies. Got a car. This is his car. How's Chica Mia? Ah, baby! You're going back to San Diego, Lovey. Huwag naman i-wiggly-wiggly ng Chica Mia. O, tingnan mo. Ilagay mo na muna siya. Kasi when you move, na ano mo siya, na wiggle-wiggle mo. Nag-upside down tuloy siya. Oh. Nasa baba na siya. Hey, baby! You're upside down! Look at you! Look at you! Your booty is up! There you go! Chica Mia is sitting on the next...
Don't forget your seatbelt.
May passing seat belt din na parang alam mo na ano. So, ibig sabihin to... hindi naman siya person, kaya hindi ka pa rin pwede sa ano. Sa... tawag doon. Ay, baby! Dali lang mo muna sarado. Baby, I love you. See you soon. Sige na, anak. I love you.
Love you too.
Drive safe, okay?
Yeah.
Call me or text me. Yeah. Call me or text me when you arrive there in San Diego. I love you, Chica Mia. I miss you. What you doing? You're dancing? I love you, nak. Text me pagdating mo doon, ha?
Okay.
Mag-iingat ka.
Yeah.
Love you. I love you both. I love you too, little one. Chica Mia, I love you, baby. I love you. You're passing seatbelt already. Hindi, sarado ko pagka ready ka na. Ready ka na. Nagsisit ka pa naman ng ano.
I'm already set.
You did? Okay. I love you. You drive safe, okay? Bye. Alis na siya. Yung anak ko, andun ni. Punta na ng San Diego. It's a beautiful day. Look at that. But it's windy. Time check is 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock, and it's cold. It's cold too. Whew. Nalamig ako. It's cold. It's cold, rock and low, but it's beautiful day. It's beautiful afternoon, right? It's beautiful afternoon. Whew. Oh my God, whose dog is that? Oh my God, there's a dog. Oh my goodness, tumawid yung dog. Oh my goodness, tumawid yung dog. No leash. The dog has no leash. Nakalabas yung dog. Yan yung owner. Yan yata yung owner. Oh. Is that the owner? It looks like. Running. Ay. Ang kulit ng aso. Nakalabas siya. Andun na, oh. Nagpahabol sa owner. This is beautiful dog too. Alright, lovies. Rock and roll. Ang lamig. It's cold in the afternoon.